The PREMTB100 wall controller is a system commonly used in conjunction with the LG air conditioner range. Easily identified by its rounded corners, this controller features a 4.3-inch colour display, temperature and humidity sensors, as well as one digital output for on-off indication. The wiring for this controller is plug and play. The supplied cable is 3-core red, yellow and black, with red being 12 VDC power, yellow being the signal and black designated as ground. The standard length of cable supplied with this controller is 10 metres. The maximum length of cable provided is 50 metres. A maximum of 2 wall controllers can be connected to one indoor unit. When using 2 controllers, one controller must be set up as master, with the other set to slave. One wall controller can be used to control up to 16 indoor units. To enter the setup codes, use the left or right arrows to navigate to the menu icon and press OK. The controller will now display sub-function. Use the left or right arrows to navigate to Setting. To enter, use the up and down arrow keys to scroll to Service. Press Enter. Use the up and down arrow keys to scroll to RMC version information and press OK. You'll notice that a number now appears under the SW version. This is the passcode required to access the field code settings. Press the back button until you reach the home screen. Once in the menu, use the left and right arrow keys to scroll to the settings table. Then press and hold the up arrow button. Enter the password obtained earlier into the installer field code setting and press OK. The wall controller will now display a list of system function settings that will enable you to set operational requirements relating to zoning, sensor location, and master slave controller.